Hello guys, Tammy here. Today I am making chicken and kale. You get boneless, skinless chicken. You cut it up and then you get the kale. You pull the greens off of the stalk. I always soak it for about a half an hour and then let the water out and then soak it again. I do it about 2 or 3 times. Then I kind of break it up and put it over the chicken. Then I put seasoned salt and garlic salt and then put the lid over it. Also, yesterday Annabelle wanted some pumpkin seeds and I went and got a pumpkin. We carved a pumpkin last night and I soaked the seeds real good. I probably should have sprayed the pan a little bit, but I didn't. This is my first time making them. Annabelle's dad's wife, she made some one time and they were delicious. I think it was last year, but so I'm gonna try it and see how well it turns out. Alright, and Annabelle said she wanted seasoned salt on hers. Oh, and you can see I did the dishes. Well, I didn't do the dishes. Annabelle did the dishes. She's such a sweetheart. She told me, she said, "Mom, your birthday's coming up soon, so I'll do the dishes. Don't worry about them." So sweet. Okay. Okay. Seasoned salt. Alright, I think that's it. I'm not going to put no salt. That's enough salt stuff on it. And then I'm going to pop this in the oven. And give that about 15 or 20 minutes. I'm not sure. So when everything's done with the magic of YouTube, we'll be back. Okay guys, it's done. That kale does cook down, so if you want to get a couple bushels, you can. I typically used 3 chicken breasts and then just, like I said, cut them up. And after the 20-minute mark, I take the lid off and let it cook for another 10 minutes. So to make sure that the kale is tender, because it takes kale a little bit to be tender. And also another recipe I use with the chicken is broccoli, and I will do that at another time. So there you go guys, and it's very healthy. And you can also buy the organic chicken and the organic kale. So there you go. Remember, you're beautiful. You can handle anything life throws at you. I love you. Until the next video.